Probably one of the biggest nests I've ever seen. All right, let's go in for another scoop. Let's really piss them off. Let me throttle up. I'm gonna title this video, Crazy Person Gets Revenge on the Yellowjackets. I can't stand Yellowjackets. I have been stung so many times by those things. If they see me, they sting me. If I'm sawing, especially maple, they sting me. If I'm within 5 feet of them and they see me, they'll get me. Honeybees leave me alone. Most bees leave me alone. Wasps kind of leave me alone. Yellowjackets, not so much. We were running some fence lines not too long ago, and Martha and I were looking at a tree that had fallen across the fence. And she was going back to get the chainsaw. I had the skid steer right here. And right where we would have been waiting in the treetop to trim limbs, I noticed a yellowjacket nest. I'd always been told that the cabs on these machines are bug proof. I closed up my vents, closed up my hatches, and next thing you know, I'm wading in and I'm taking revenge. I'm gonna mess these guys up, and I might get stung doing it, but I figured, hey, what the heck, I'm filming it, so that'd be pretty cool too. Be like one of those horror movies, like the old Killer Bee Swarm. Stupid idiot inside of a compact track loader gets swarmed by yellowjackets and gets stung so many times he passes out. Or guy who hates yellowjackets takes on a nest and whoops them from 3 feet away, because the bucket's here, I'm right there, and there ain't a whole lot of distance. So either way, I thought it would be fun. Well, we're back to clearing some dirt and whatnot. You can kind of see what I've done here just in a very short period of time. This is one of our trails. We've got a fence line issue. Big tree fell down on the fence. Cool about it is there's a big yellowjacket nest. I don't know if you can see it. There we go. Yeah, you can see them flying right in there. This cab's hopefully pretty sealed off. I'm going to turn the ventilation off anyway, but I'm not a real big fan of yellowjackets, so we're going to get in there and whack them. For those of you who don't know, yellowjackets are mean. Nest. I guarantee I hit it that time. Woo, there they are. Oh, well, I got them that time. They are all over this skid steer trying to get to it. Yeah, baby. They really look mad now. Whoa! There's got to be thousands of them. That's a lot of yellowjackets. It's probably one of the biggest nests I've ever seen. Not exactly sure where the nest is. They still keep coming out of the ground. There's more and more and more of them. Let me know, have you guys seen a nest that big? Wow. I'm trying to figure out where the hole is. I think they got something to do with that rock right there. They seem to be really... I can zoom in here. That's cool. I feel pretty safe. nut hitting the skid steer or the track loader here. For the most part, they're bouncing off. There was one trying to get in the window. See, I don't know if the nest is dead or if it's still underground. I guess I could take one more scoop. Alright, let's go in for another scoop. Let's really piss them off. Let me throttle up. A bad time to throw a track. Having trouble believing their nest would be any deeper than that. Oh. There is that's the comb right there. Ain't that cool? See if I can zoom in on that. Right there. Right there, that white stuff. Alright, well guess what? They're gonna get hit again. Because I hate yellow jackets. Got them that time. Spread them out over here and see. It's a lot of them. They're not happy. Look at them trying to get in on me here. They really don't know what to do. Flying everywhere. That's kind of creep you out a little bit knowing that there's just that many coming at you. But, oh well. Wash their little asses. Yeah, there we go. So all the times these little something guns have stung me. Bad day to be a yellowjacket. They are still trying to get into the old cab. I guess they're mad, aren't they? I guess you can't blame them. There's still some honeycomb right there. Maybe the coons and possums will dine tonight. Either way, I'm going to cover the whole mess up. I guess. Maybe I should leave it open and let the critters get to it. I don't know. I need to finish this up. Oh well. I'm going to get back to work. I've had enough fun for the day. Alright guys, that was cool. You don't see that very often. Trust your machine. They're still flying around the cab. I got the AC turned off. I know there's no holes in the vents because I check them pretty routinely. And I got away unscathed. Ooh, that one tried to get in right there. Anyway, they're not happy and I'm fixing to cover them up. I got work to do. Enough fun. We'll see y'all later. Y'all have a good day. Hey, come on now. Where else are you going to see this kind of stuff? Hit the like and subscribe. And I'm going to get back to it. We'll see y'all. Thanks for visiting our sawmill. Click on the links above to see more of our videos.